Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we shall look at this review video. As you can see, we're going to be comparing two wallets, and these are cryptocurrency wallets. We have the Tangem wallet and the Arculus wallet. We shall be seeing the reviews from Trustpilot to see which one of them is better. So we have started with the Tangem wallet. As you can see, Tangem is a hardware wallet. As you can see, it has 3.9 green stars, and this is something good. And if you come to reviews over here, as you can see, TD 2 days ago says has some issues with my Tangem, contacted support. They really gave me a good solution and very polite and professional. So this is something good. This one gives it a 2-star. This one gives it a 5-star. He says hello. He had Kronos versus the Ethereum network. He purchased the Ethereum network tokens using the Tangem wallet and received them very fast. That's a good review. 5 days ago, this one is called Fiona Panet. He says a Tangem card feels like you're having a personal bank in your pocket and no need to contact customer service anywhere. Oh my god, so this means Tangem is relatively good. Alright, so let's look at the Arculus wallet, and you see the reviews on the Arculus wallet from Trustpilot itself. Okay, so right now we're on the Arculus wallet. As you can see, these are reviews. This person said they refused to withdraw my money. They froze it every time I tried to pull it out. This is a very bad review. And generally, this wallet has 1.2 stars. This is very bad, guys. This one says, this one is called Ashley Joanna. He says, I had a terrible experience with them. They had fraudulent activities, my wallet service. Then he says, after depositing 46,000 XRP, the funds disappeared within 1 hour. So guys, this wallet is a red flag. You can see very bad reviews. This one says, I copied my USDT from Trust app using the icon, and then all of a sudden the money disappeared. So guys, I wouldn't recommend you to use the Arculus wallet. I would recommend you to use the Tangem wallet because it has good rating and good reviews. This means it's relatively safer, as you can see, and it's even a hardware wallet. That's the review, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We shall meet once again.